If you're having trouble with Facebook not loading in Safari on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. This issue may arise due to various reasons, including network problems, cache data, or browser settings. Here are the steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center. By swiping down from the top of the screen, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you can't load websites, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and find Safari browser, tap Clear History and Website Data, confirm by tapping Clear again. Cached websites data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Solution 3. Offload Facebook. Open Settings Apps on iPhone, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out Facebook apps from here, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the apps. Solution: disable Safari extensions. Open Settings, scroll down and find Safari browsers, scroll down, tap Extensions, toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with website loading if they block certain scripts or content. Security certificates. Solution: disable VPN or proxy. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap VPN and Device Management. Turn off VPN or proxy settings if applicable. VPNs can sometimes cause websites to fail to load properly, especially if they're region locked. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue on Facebook not loading in Safari on your iPhone. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.